boom. Oh my god, it's freaking everywhere.
I don't know, it's ridiculous. The fucking car is like shaking. Oh my god, it's so ridiculous.
Oh my god. That was awesome.
Totally worth it.
That was one of the coolest ones, I think. It was like flash.
I don't know.
Bolt
Yeah.
up. It's like,
That strobe when it was like,
that was like.
oh my god, I just got that on video. Just to let everyone know that is watching this video, we are in the middle of nowhere in Indiana. And it's quite scary.
It's cold.
I feel like this, oh yes.
What?
I feel like this is like never gonna end.
Yeah, so much for a while.
There's even shit behind us.
Oh, damn, that was nice.
I don't know if I got that.
Oh, man, wow. These are really nice lightning bolts coming
Yeah,
out.
it is.
There's some quality bolts. And that shit's coming towards us.
Is it really?
I think so. It's going that way. Oh my god.
Oh my
that was
god.
nice.
I pray to god I got that. Holy shit. At least it's too cold for a tornado. Because I don't think I'd be sitting here if that was the case. If it was, if it was warm.
No.
I'd be fucking peacing out. I'm not sitting in the dark. Well, I mean, that's like the worst thing to get caught in a fucking tornado at night.
No shit. You get caught in a tornado at all.
Well, I mean, yeah, but like, at least during the day you can see it coming.
It's true. Well, I'm pretty sure you can see a tornado coming at night. I mean, I'm sorry. It's a gigantic funnel cloud. It's kind of hard to miss.
That's true.
There are enough lights, especially with the lightning. It would light it up, and you would see a giant ass funnel cloud coming towards you, and you'd be like, "Holy fuck!" Time to go right now.
Yeah.
I don't really feel like being lifted up and being twirled around, and just,
Yeah, not so much.
I like life.
That was
my
perfect.
God, that was awesome.
Alright, guys, I think we're gonna move.
Yeah.